Hello guys, this is the unboxing of Workers Bluetooth Passive Hearing Protection Auditive Passive Bluetooth. Yeah, this is NRR 25 decibel noise reduction rating. Yeah, okay. Bluetooth sync with mobile devices. It means not only can be synced to cell phones, maybe on laptops also. We'll try then. Okay. What the heck?